So we've talked about induction warming, but Lionswood also offers induction cooking. The cooking is going to offer different settings, different temperatures and wattage because live action cooking requires heavy watts. As you see here, unlike the wattage controls that show display in watts as 200 as we showed, the settings for cooking go from P1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, we only advise you to consider P1 through 4. Anything higher would be for back of the house cooking. So if we're looking to have an omelet station, whether it's cooking, omelets, pasta station, live action cooking, we never recommend you go above P4, and that's going to deliver about 1100 watts of draw. And that's why Lionswood says we're the only manufacturer that offers the ability to have 2 induction cookers on one 20 amp dedicated plug. However, unlike the warmer that can only warm and not cook, the cooker has warmer settings. So on the control, you'll see a function button. When I click that function button, you'll notice that it toggles down to the warm, and the red light for the warm eliminates. Now we are back at watts. So with the warm setting on your induction cooker, you have the ability to go from 70 watts up to 200 watts. This is important because we do have clients that utilize their cooking unit for warming. So if you do not toggle to the warmer setting, but leave it at the heat setting, you will burn your food. The amount of power will overcook your food tremendously.